Hello everyone, this is FunkoPOP.Enthusiast here. Hope everyone's doing well. This is my second video for my YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys like it. So today, I'm going to open 3 of these sealed Freddy NYC sodas. Just to prove that they are sealed, I'll show you that the top's sealed for all 3. All right, so we'll do them one at a time. So wish me luck. And it's actually my first time opening a soda.
I'm actually usually the person that just buys them after they open.
I'm going to fast forward this part.
So, let's see if they're lucky.
And one, I don't think this is. Nope. First one's a common. All right. Next.
I'm hoping I get one. Oh, I'm better on them, right? Okay, wish me luck, guys.
Number 2. Doesn't look like soda. Oh, another common. This video may not get published if I don't get a chase. I don't wonder if it's actually... Aha! 3rd time's a charm, my friends. Ding, 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 ding. I did get a chase, 1 out of 3. So I didn't win any of these, but I actually bought them from other people and traded for them secondhand. And let's see what the Pizza Freddy looks like. All right, thanks for joining me.